Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Mac OS and Discord are updated because audio routing fixes often ship in updates. Open System Settings, go to Sound and Screen Recording, and allow Discord. This grants access to capture app audio. Once done, quit Discord completely using CMD+Q, then reopen it so the permission change takes effect. You do this now to prevent permission-locked audio streams and to prepare the app for the next step, selecting correct output and input devices inside Discord. Next, you configure Discord's audio sources because mismatched devices cause no sound. Go to User Settings, Voice and Video, then explicitly select your Macbook's built-in output or the virtual device you use. Also set the input to your microphone. If sharing your screen, click Share Screen and check Share System Audio. Discord routes desktop sound through that option. Once your devices are set, test by playing a short track while observing Discord's input/output bars so you can see audio levels and confirm routing. Finally, you resolve persistent issues by installing a virtual audio driver like Black Hole when Mac OS blocks direct capture. This creates a route for system audio. After installing, restart your Mac, reopen System Settings to reauthorize Discord for screen recording, and select the virtual device as output. Then test in a private call, and if problems persist, toggle Discord's legacy audio subsystem or reinstall Discord. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is static or absent, reboot and repeat permission grants. Mac OS often requires a fresh session to apply them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.